3 days after an EF4 tornado tore through this small Mississippi Delta town, construction equipment has been brought in to clean up the mess. But as you drive around and walk around this neighborhood, you'll see there's still plenty of destruction and devastation. These two cars flipped over on what appears to be a home, as you can see insulation and debris below those two cars. Now, a few streets over, I met with one man, Darien McGee, and heard his survival story.
It's like a godly force, it's like a force of God. The same force that came through here is the same force that got me out.
McGee says he was walking to the bathroom, and as soon as he grabbed the handle Friday night, he was knocked over with force. This is the house now reduced to rubble, mementos and furniture mangled with building material.
It was just dark. It was like out of a movie or something. I was like, what, everything just exploded or something? It just never dawned on me that it could have been a tornado, but hey, it's reality. It's a tornado,
McGee is helping families salvage what they can. Throughout the town, volunteers are helping residents like the American Red Cross and a disaster relief group, Marco Patriots, out of Florida. Meanwhile, this solo volunteer is spreading encouragement wherever he goes, nicknamed Cowboy Dave.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking because it's so raw.
Cowboy Dave has recently been in Ohio helping East Palestine residents after the disaster there, and he's helped hurricane survivors in Florida too. He got into Rolling Fork on Sunday.
Just seeing folks, two things stand out to me. Number one, person came to me last night with tears in her eyes, just about dark. It came to my truck and they said, Cowboy, where's 1027 such and such? And I said, I don't know. And she didn't even recognize her community, and she's lived here. And she finally found her quadrants from the visitor center. And then secondly, the most horrible thing is last night, I sleep in my truck, the dogs screaming. The dogs are still trapped.
Cowboy Dave tells me he did talk with a group about getting those animals rescued and to safety in Rolling Fork, Mississippi. For AccuWeather, I'm Jillian Angeline.